The back of the room. Raj sat at the last desk in the classroom. Not by choice, he was placed there. The last row was known as the place for students teachers had given up on, the ones who didn't do homework, didn't raise their hands, didn't believe in themselves. Raj wasn't stupid, but somewhere along the way, he had stopped trying. What's the point, he often thought. His classmates laughed louder, answered quicker, and always seemed one step ahead. So he sank into the back, hoping to disappear. The day everything changed. One afternoon, a new teacher walked in, Miss Aurora. Young, confident, and sharp-eyed. She introduced herself and scanned the classroom. Her eyes landed on Raj. "You," she said, "what's your name?" "Raj," he muttered. "You look like someone with a story. I like stories. Let's write a new one." The class chuckled, but Miss Aurora wasn't joking. She handed him a blank notebook. "Fill this by the end of the term. It doesn't matter what you write, just write something, anything, but make it yours." Raj didn't take it seriously at first. He doodled, scribbled song lyrics, even tore out pages. But she kept checking, not grading, just noticing. And for the first time in years, someone was noticing Raj. Sparks began to fly. Slowly, Raj began writing his thoughts. About how he hated math. About how his father worked night shifts. About how his sister had to quit school. It wasn't polished, but it was real. Miss Aurora would leave tiny notes in the margins. That's powerful. Try turning this into a story. This could help someone else. By the midterm, Raj wasn't just writing, he was thinking. He started sitting one row ahead. He began asking questions, small ones at first. He actually tried on the math test. His classmates noticed. "Raj, you okay?" someone joked. "Yeah," he said, "just tired of wasting time." The climb. The work wasn't easy. Raj still failed a few quizzes. He still had days when he stared at the page, stuck. But he didn't quit. He stayed after class sometimes. He Googled things. He asked Miss Aurora about books. She gave him Wings of Fire by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. It lit a fire in him. Raj underlined a line that stuck with him. "You have to dream before your dreams can come true." From that day, he stopped calling himself dumb. He started calling himself not done. From last to first. At the year-end award ceremony, Miss Aurora stood on stage to announce a special recognition. Most Improved Student. From the last desk to leading class discussions, from silence to voice, this student didn't just improve grades, he changed his mindset. That's what real success looks like. She called out, "Raj Mehra." Gasps filled the room. Raj's name had never been called for anything before. He walked to the stage. Not fast, not shy. He stood tall, holding the same notebook, now filled cover to cover. Miss Aurora smiled and whispered, "See, you were never the last desk. You were the first chapter." A letter to others like him. Years later, Raj became a teacher. He kept that old notebook on his desk. One day, he found a student staring out the window, silent, disconnected, just like he used to be. Raj slid a blank notebook across the desk. "Write something, anything," he said. "Don't waste your time. You're not lazy. You're just waiting to believe in yourself." And just like that, a new story began.